Hello and welcome to my channel Joy Food and Traveler. Today's video is about our visit to Falkenhof Schloss at Rosenburg and Holzbruck at Essig. So Schloss means castle. So we visited this Falkenhof at Rosenburg, and which is located near in direction of Munich. So if you are in Germany and Bayern, and if you really like to visit castles, then this is one of the beautiful castle that I can recommend it. And this is famous for its falcon, so it's because of these birds. And yeah, these castles offer many things for tourists and visitors. This name came from this falcon bird. So here you can see the collection of different birds, so you have chance to see these all birds from very near. And location of this castle is really beautiful, surrounded by nature. And yeah, it's perfect for one day trip. So from here you can go to this uh, Holzbruck. It's like a wooden bridge, which is one of the longest bridge in Europe. It was nice experience. It is good place to visit with kids and friends. Only sad thing is we saw these birds which are, yeah, somehow not free, and it is really sad to see that they are somehow caged. The place information and opening times information is in my description box, and how to reach there, where to park your car, and other necessary information, what you can do here, which are the other places you can explore nearby. This all information are in my description box, so just check it out there. And they also offer this bird show for 2 times per day, 11 o'clock and 3 o'clock. So if you are lucky, or if you really want to see this bird show, then just make sure that you are visiting this castle in this time period, or make plan that at least 11 o'clock or 3 o'clock shows you can attend. This castle has also museum inside it that you can also explore. So it is really fun for kids to see the birds from very near, and also fun for, not fun, but it was really good experience for us to see these all birds from very near. They are really huge, and yeah, I have never seen this kind of birds before, so it was really nice experience for me. And there are also owl, and they looks really beautiful. Sometimes when you see to this bird, then you feel like they wanted to say you something. Yeah. And they looks really poor that they are in cage. And yeah, but I think this is the good place for them, and maybe if they are in nature, then they don't have enough food to survive, or maybe the nature, this weather is not good enough for them, but I'm not sure. But I from my personal point of view, I really like to see bird free, not in this cage. Yeah, so castle's name is coming from this bird falcon. And it was nice time, and they have also a restaurant where you can eat and drink coffee. And yeah, from castle you have really good view too. So if you, this is perfect for, yeah, one day activity, I can say. And if you are near to this Munich area or in Ingolstadt area, then definitely one place to visit, worth to visit. With ticket, you can also, these museums and bird shows are included in the ticket price. This information is already given in the description. And here you can see that how they feed, how they train this bird. It was unique experience for us to see birds really from near, and the people who are working there, they are also very friendly. And in so this is how the museum look like. They have collections of different birds, different animals, and also they represent the history of this castle. So they have somehow tradition to show these bird show. And in bird show they show different type of birds performing different activities, and somehow they are trying to control the falcon birds. And there are many pictures of their kings and the people who are living there with the falcon, and they have good information about different birds characteristic and history of them. Yeah, it was nice experience to learn something about these birds. Yeah, they have also collection of equipment to catch these birds. And yeah, you can see the also the clothes and how they train the bird, and which different type of birds and with what characteristic, and this all information are you can get it from this museum. So if you are interested in museum, and if you are interested to know about the birds and this museum, these castles, then this is really good place, and you can get definitely all information there. Parking is somehow available near to the castle itself. And if you are a fan of hiking and trekking, then there are also many ways there that you can go for hiking and trekking nearby. And yeah, now it's time for bird show. So this bird show lasts for half an hour or 1 hour approximately. And in that bird show they show the different falcons are performing different activities as well as all. And to see these birds from near and performing activities is also good experience, and I can say it's really enjoyable for the kids. They basically enjoy it a lot. We were there with our friends, and we also bought some food there. So we did a kind of picnic there and have food and enjoy this place. And after that we went to this Holzbrook. It's called, in English it's called the wooden bridge. It is also not that far from this place. It's around 8 or 9 kilometer. This place information and how to reach there, it's map location, everything is there in my description box. So from there you can see all information. This places are located in Bayern in Germany. Bayern is state of Germany. So if you are coming to this Bayern, and planning to visit some good place, memorable place, then if you have time, then you can visit this castle as well. After having time at castle, we went to this wooden bridge. So this wooden bridge is one of the Europe's longest wooden bridge, and parking is also available very near to the bridge. On weekend, the parking is free. You don't need to pay money for that, and yeah, it also looks very beautiful. If you want to know more about this wooden bridge, how they construct it, then all this information is also in my description box. It is also famous because of its shape. In the end, there is a photos of this bridge, so from there you can have this idea how this bridge look like. It is not in that even shape, but nature, river, and mountains and castles give you the unique view, unique location, and make your trip really memorable. And from here, there are also many options to discover other places by hiking, by walking. And if you have enough time, if then just I recommended you to spend complete one day here and to explore some places. Go for small walking or hiking tour from here. Yeah. So this is how bridge look like from distance. It's really beautiful. And yeah, I hope you guys like my video, and if you like my video, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys. See you in next video.